Unlocking the power of gut health. Foods that foster a healthy microbiome. The human gut is a complex ecosystem comprising trillions of microorganisms, collectively known as the microbiome. This dynamic community of bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microbes plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health. Emerging research suggests that certain foods have the power to positively influence gut health by promoting a diverse and balanced microbiome. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of gut health and delve into how specific foods can boost the well-being of your digestive system. Understanding the microbiome. The microbiome is a diverse collection of microorganisms residing in the gastrointestinal tract, primarily in the colon. These microbes work in harmony to aid digestion, produce essential nutrients, and contribute to the proper functioning of the immune system. An imbalance in the microbiome, known as dysbiosis, has been linked to various health issues, including gastrointestinal disorders, autoimmune diseases, and even mental health conditions. Foods that promote gut health. 1. Fiber serves as a prebiotic, nourishing the beneficial bacteria in the gut. Examples include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. 2. Probiotics are live beneficial bacteria that directly contribute to the microbial balance. Sources include yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and other fermented foods. 3. Polyphenols are plant compounds with antioxidant properties that support the growth of beneficial bacteria. Found in berries, dark chocolate, green tea, and red wine. 4. Omega-3 have anti-inflammatory properties and can positively influence the gut microbiome. Sources include fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, flax seeds, and chia seeds. 5. Garlic and onions. These contain compounds with prebiotic properties, promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. 6. Bone broth. Rich in collagen and amino acids, bone broth supports gut integrity and may help heal the gut lining. 7. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects beneficial for gut health. 8. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and may help soothe the digestive system. 9. Almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds are rich in fiber and contribute to a healthy gut environment. 10. Consuming a diverse range of foods ensures a variety of nutrients for different microbial species. In conclusion, cultivating a healthy gut through a balanced and diverse diet is a proactive approach to overall well-being. Incorporating fiber-rich foods, probiotics, and a variety of plant-based compounds provides the necessary nutrients to support the thriving community of microbes in your gut. As research in this field continues to evolve, the significance of gut health in maintaining optimal physical and mental health becomes increasingly apparent. By making informed food choices, you can embark on a journey to nourish not just your body, but also the trillions of microorganisms that call your gut home. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts.